Blood clots are a serious medical condition that can occur in veins or arteries, potentially leading to life-threatening complications. Recognizing the signs and symptoms of a blood clot is crucial for timely intervention and treatment. In this video, we will explore what a blood clot feels like and the importance of understanding these symptoms. Symptoms of a blood clot. The symptoms of a blood clot can vary depending on its location in the body. Common areas where blood clots form include the legs, arms, lungs, and heart. 1. Deep vein thrombosis, DVT, legs or arms. In the legs or arms, a blood clot often manifests as pain and tenderness. The pain can feel like a cramp or a muscle strain and usually starts in the calf or thigh. Swelling in the affected limb is common and may be accompanied by a feeling of heaviness or tightness. Additionally, the skin over the clot may appear red or discolored and feel warm to the touch. 2. Pulmonary embolism, PE, lungs. A blood clot in the lungs presents different symptoms. Sharp, stabbing pain in the chest that worsens with deep breaths or coughing can indicate a blood clot in the lungs. This is often accompanied by shortness of breath, making it difficult to breathe or causing rapid breathing. A persistent cough, sometimes producing blood-streaked sputum, may also be a sign of a pulmonary embolism. 3. Coronary thrombosis, heart. When a blood clot forms in the heart, it can cause chest pain or discomfort similar to a heart attack. This pain is often described as pressure, squeezing, or fullness and can radiate to the shoulders, neck, jaw, or arms. Additional symptoms may include excessive sweating, nausea, and lightheadedness. 4. Stroke. A blood clot in the brain often presents with a sudden, severe headache. Neurological symptoms can include sudden weakness or numbness in the face, arm, or leg, especially on one side of the body. Confusion, difficulty speaking or understanding speech, and loss of coordination or balance are also common indicators of a stroke caused by a blood clot. Recognizing these symptoms is vital for timely intervention and treatment. If you experience any signs of a blood clot, such as unexplained pain, swelling, shortness of breath, or chest discomfort, it is essential to seek medical attention immediately. Early diagnosis and treatment can save lives and improve recovery outcomes.